What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Then do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. And then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today we have a hot coin, a hot token that we're going to bring to you guys. This is the coin I brought to you guys about 7 to 8 months ago, and that is none other than PENDLE. We're going to deep dive into that coin. We're going to talk about some of the great things that that coin has been doing of late. But first, before we get into that, let's take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Today is a magnificent day. Cryptocurrency market is pumping. Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin is sitting right now at $71,380. Bitcoin is up 8% on the day. That is awesome. That is huge. The Fear and Greed Index is still sitting at 60. So at any moment, that Fear and Greed Index will start to kick up gears and start to head towards the 70s. That's why I was telling you guys when the Fear and Greed Index was in the 50s, eat it up, buy those dips, because we will be heading to our next leg up, which is what we're in the process of doing. So things are lining up just as we anticipated and expected. So things are looking good. Things are looking great. The Bitcoin dominance is 53.4. Now we know when that Bitcoin dominance starts to teeter below the 53% mark, we are heading in the right direction to where we want to go to, which is that doggone altcoin season. That's what we're waiting on. We're waiting for that thing to start to explode, waiting for these altcoins to, start to kick in. But like I said, we're still early. Even though Bitcoin is at $71,000, we are still early. Bitcoin is just very aggressive this cycle. We've already spoke on that. We've already expected that. So nobody is worrying. Nobody is panicking. Things are lining up just the way that we have expected it to. So let's get into the coin of the day. The coin of the day is PENDLE, PENDLE. Currently, it is number 95, largest cryptocurrency coin in the world. And the price of PENDLE today is $6. PENDLE is up 25% on the day. PENDLE is up 50% on the past 7 days. PENDLE has been kicking butt for a very long time. PENDLE has been under the radar. Not too many folks have been talking about PENDLE, but we did a video on PENDLE about 6 or 7 months ago when PENDLE was about 20 cents. We got into PENDLE when it was beat down, when it was about 4 cents in January of 2023. So we've already did over 100x. We probably did about 150x on PENDLE. That's another play, another coin that we got lucky on, along with AIOZ Network. So PENDLE and AIOZ Network have really taken our portfolio to another level. And there's so many of you folks who have got into these plays early also, and is reaping great rewards, great success just from these two coins. But it's very important. That's why it's to know the 4-year cycles. We were accumulating these plays when they were beat down, when they were low, when everybody was saying don't buy, don't buy. We knew what time it was. We were buying all of the altcoins that we thought had potential to do 100x, 1000x. So currently the market cap for PENDLE is $922 million market cap. This thing was released back in 2021. It was released back in the previous bull market at $2.50. This play corrected all the way down to 3 cents in 2022 during the bear market. It got beat down real low. Now this is a yield tokenization RWA coin. This is a real world asset coin that has been one of the largest narratives that have been roaming around this particular cycle. We know each cycle there's different narratives that roam around. RWA, the real world assets, is one of the key narratives in cryptocurrency market this particular cycle. And we also know that utility plays is also a huge narrative. We knew that the utility plays will be very bullish and very strong this particular cycle. Real use case, these coins have real use case. They've been developing. The research have been going on for years. Now things are launching. Things are being utilized in the real world. So PENDLE is one of the hot coins that's been around since 2021. It got beat down in the 2022 bear market. And as you can see, this thing is already, for us, we got in at 4 cents. We already at 150x. The price is at $6, but we are still early. Altcoin season is nowhere near. So can this coin still do a 9x, 10x from here? Can this coin get to 50 cent? I mean, $50. Can this coin get to $60? I mean, with a coin like this, it's still number 95. The market cap is 922 million. Once the popularity of this thing really kicks in, it's finally in the top 100. The popularity is kicking in, it's catching on. A play like this can really catch wildfire and still do a 25x from here. But I'm calling this play to at least do another 10x from here. $6, I'm looking at a $50, $60 Pendle, and that will place us at another 1000x coin. When we bought this coin at 4 cents. When this coin got to 60 cents, we took profits. We sold half of our bag, but we left half in. Now, hindsight is 2020. I wish we would not have taken profits, but that's how it goes. You can never complain or cry about taking profits, but I'm just glad and happy that we did leave half of our bag in that particular play, just for situations like this. That's why it's real important when you take profit and you're nowhere near the bull market, leave some skin in that particular play in case that play continue to run up and continue to go parabolic like you see Pendle have been doing. That's why I say it's real important for you to pay attention to the characteristics of your coin. We see that Pendle have great characteristics. Pendle have parabolic characteristics. So we saw and seeing how this play has been running and is running before altcoin season. Imagine what this play is going to do when altcoin season come in, when this thing really gets some heat up under it and it really gets some momentum and really start running. Pendle's going to be a play that you better be looking out for. Hopefully some of you guys already got in this play when you saw my video a few months ago when we first came out, started doing videos. Boom, this was one of the first videos we did. We dropped the video at 20 cents, but that's because we had already did a 5x when we got in at 4 cents. So Pendle is a hot play. Pendle is a great play. Now also what's going on today, Ethereum is pumping, Ethereum is running. Ethereum is up 20% on the day. And if you understand the path to altcoins, things are lining up just the way that we expect. We understand that Bitcoin will be the first to start pumping. That's phase one. Bitcoin start pumping. Bitcoin start moving. We seen Bitcoin hit $73,000 about a month and a half ago. Boom, that was phase one. Phase two is when Ethereum start to outperform Bitcoin. That's kind of what we're seeing right now. We're seeing Ethereum starting to catch steam. As Ethereum catch steam and start to outperform Bitcoin, the Bitcoin dominance gradually start to lower, gradually start to decrease. After that, after Ethereum has its run, that's why I say you better expect Ethereum to run. I was telling everybody, buy Ethereum Classic, buy ENS, Ethereum Network Services, Ethereum Name Services, because those two coins are deeply connected with Ethereum. As Ethereum run, Ethereum Classic will run harder. ENS, Ethereum Name Service, will run harder than Ethereum. We bought into both of those plays. Both of those plays are ripping. Both of those plays are running. We're expecting to hold these plays and let these plays continue to run all the way through altcoin season. After Ethereum run, we're expecting the money to start flowing into the large cap coins. Your large cap coins will start to go parabolic. The top 100 coins, the large cap coins, are going to start to go parabolic. It's going to be like going to a casino, hitting that switch, hitting that button, and you just start seeing a jackpot. Things just going to start popping out the screen. Green candles just going to start popping out. Your portfolio is going to start to explode. Things are really getting excited right now. Now, this is the path to altcoin season. There's 4 phases, 4 steps with the path to altcoin season. First, Bitcoin start pumping. We saw that. After that, Ethereum start to outperform Bitcoin. After that, your large altcoins start to explode. Then after that, which is phase 4, boom, you're in full-blown altcoin season. And that's what we're looking forward to. That's what we've been expecting. And that right there is what's going to take your portfolio to the next level. And that's right there is what's going to create new cryptocurrency millionaires. Some of you guys watching this video will become new cryptocurrency millionaires. So many of you guys over there in the Stock Holiday Patreon will definitely become new cryptocurrency millionaires. Last week, we already had our first cryptocurrency millionaire. That was exciting to hear the news. So shouts out to my folks over there in the Stock Holiday Patreon in the locker room. Hit that millionaire status. Salute to you, my dude. You know, there will be a few more of us that will hit the new cryptocurrency millionaire status as well. But Pendle is the coin of the day. Put that coin on your radar. You may want to catch it when it dips. It's already up 25% on the day. It's already up 50% on the week. That's why I tell you guys, buy these coins when they're dirt cheap, when they're dipping, because once they start to explode, you may not see that lower price again. But we understand this is all part of the cycle. Bitcoin will start to pump. Altcoins will start to pump. And as cryptocurrency pump and run up, you know, we also are aware that there's going to be corrections along the way. Just like we've seen a couple of corrections already this year. We've seen a couple of 25% corrections. So as Bitcoin pump, as it moves, as it makes its next leg up to maybe $78,000, $82,000, there probably will be another correction at that particular point. But understand, don't panic. Don't get shaken out your plays. The next correction that you see, dollar cost average in, buy into these plays. Whatever coin that you're looking at right now, whatever coin that's looking nice and shiny and glitz and glamorous, put that coin on your radar. The next time we have a correction, you got your list of coins that looks attractive to you, that had been looking attractive to you when it was pumping. When it start to go red, when it start to correct, those same plays should look even much more attractive to you. So altcoin season is coming. We are going along the way with the path to altcoin season. We are nearing the second phase, which is where Ethereum starts to outperform Bitcoin. So we're in a great space right now. Things are exciting. A lot of folks are getting very bullish right now. We're going to continue to monitor the Fear and Greed Index. We're also going to continue to monitor the Bitcoin dominance. So that's why I say I just come to y'all every evening just to continue to give y'all that good motivation. Coming to y'all every evening to give y'all that good encouragement. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.